Hello everybody, my name is Virus Little and I am back to bring you guys another video. Today we will be looking at the first build in my Windows XP series, or Windows Whistler. So today we will be looking at Windows Whistler build 2211.1. So this is one of the earliest builds that is confirmed to be Windows Whistler, and we're going to be taking a nice good look at it right now. Now this build was compiled, I'm going off the BIOS date here, on March 10th, 2000. Very interesting. And this is after when Microsoft canceled the Windows Neptune project. We all know Windows Whistler is basically a hybrid between Windows Neptune, Windows 2000, and Windows ME, which was pretty much Neptune. I don't know why I said Neptune, excuse me. However, this is really interesting. So this build refers to itself as Whistler Windows 2001 version. Very interesting. So here we go, we see Windows 2000 Professional, it still says. You can see the branding and consistencies. It still hasn't gone into the stage where it starts to change itself to Windows Whistler, nor does it change itself to Windows XP just yet. But that will come pretty soon. So let's talk about some of the changes that have happened in this Windows Whistler build. So the Windows Whistler build, this build contains the Whistler desktop tag. The Internet Explorer has been updated to 5.6, and this build is also the control panel. You first see just the commonly used items first. It includes version 1.2 of the Microsoft Management Console, and this build also includes the new Help and Support Center seen in Windows Millennium and Neptune, and the file bug report opens a page where you can submit a bug to the Windows Neptune beta team. So it's still kind of saying Neptune, which is really cool. Really nice. And also there's a new login screen. However, you would have to go into regedit and change logon type to 1. I believe I do that in this video. I don't remember, but I do believe I do that, and we are able to see the Windows logon, the new Windows login screen. If not, you guys will be able to see it next video. So let's take a look. So it's wanting us to do pretty much what Windows 2000 wanted us to do. Really interesting. Here we go. So let me actually shift so we can go into a more colorful version. Let's see. Come on. Here we go. So I started using VirtualBox for all the installation, and then I ended up switching to VMware because I believe VMware is a lot better now for these builds. Here we go. See, follow bug report to the Windows Neptune beta team. Very interesting. But everything else looks really the same. It looks much like the Windows ME style, and you guys will notice that there's a lot of ME style elements in this build that you'll see. It's basically Windows 2000 with Windows ME, and it's just merged in. So let's keep taking a look. So everything looks relatively the same, kind of like Windows ME. Let's connect to the internet. Let's see if this will be easier to do. Here we go. I'm trying to show you guys the version number. I think I have to go into. I keep thinking that I should just do it in properties, but it's actually inside the program itself. So here we go. Here's Windows 5.6. Here we go. Let's take a look about Internet Explorer. Come on, show up, please. Don't just keep me here. Let me just cancel that. And here it goes. It says Windows 5. It says Windows Internet Explorer 5.5, but the version number is 5.6. As you can see, so it's a little bit of an update. A bit of an improvement into Windows Internet Explorer. So let's take a look at my computer. Here it says 5.0 2211. Here we go. As you can see, you can definitely see the Windows ME style of Windows, as you can see in the corner, and you guys can see pretty much the influence of Windows ME. You can kind of see some of the remnants of Windows Neptune in a bit, not too much, but it's there. It kind of has like I said, it's just a big hybrid of all the operating systems that came before, and it's pretty interesting. And it's really interesting how it took Microsoft about almost a year to kind of do this, to shift its focus into making its developers just focus on this one operating system to make it look pretty much amazing. So here we go. Nothing has really changed. Minesweeper looks relatively the same. I love playing with Minesweeper. It's always been that go-to game where you need to pass time. Here we go. So let's continue on with our search with what has changed. That was the System32 folder. Here's the system folder. Nothing really much has changed here. Let's see, the System32 folder. I think I'm looking for the About dialog so I can show you guys that one. Gosh, I'm trying to find. but I think I'm looking for WinVer, I believe. Here we go. Here's the WinVer dialog. So it says Windows 2000, but there's the build number 2211. Very interesting. So it does have that. All right, let me see. Windows update, will it work? Come on, work. And page cannot be displayed. So I guess we can't update this version of Whistler, unfortunately. So documents, so we got my pictures, accessories. Let's see what's changed in here. So accessibility, everything looks relatively the same. Nothing too different. There's narrator. It does make a voice, honestly, and it's Microsoft Sam. I can confirm that for you guys, that Microsoft Sam makes a little debut here. So here we go. Let's continue on. And we got our accessories, communications. Everything looks relatively the same here. Entertainment, CD player, sound player, Windows Media Player. I believe Windows Media Player still looks the same. We got pinball, here we go, which is really nice. System tools, nothing too different in system tools at all. And I believe the getting started is still Windows 2000, unfortunately. And here's the control panel, the Windows ME-esque control panel. And as I stated, the control panel uses the most commonly used items first. So if I click on one of them, like often, it'll bring that up first. So here we go. So here's our administrative tools. There's the system management console, which has been updated to 1.2. Very interesting. Everything looks relatively the same. Nothing has really changed here. It's just little minuscule changes, really, but I do have to start off somewhere. And I do like showing you guys the very first build that actually came into light with Windows Whistler, which is really interesting. So here we go. We got our power options, advanced. We don't have any more features of fast boot anymore. So that's the feature that came out, that was removed from Neptune, as I stated in my Windows Neptune video. Very interesting. You guys should check it out so you guys can see Neptune as well. Dr. Watson still works, still here. No faults detected. Pretty nice. And I'm pretty sure that's really about it. Oh, there's our Microsoft Management Console. I made a quick cut because I could not, by the life of me, find out where to show you guys the version number of the Management Console, so I apologize. But yeah, I believe that's about it. And I believe I also did some changes to the registry. I hope I did. I think I did. But I don't think I did, actually. So next video, you guys are going to see the new login screen. And I believe that's really about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for watching my videos, for staying dedicated into my videos. I really hope you guys enjoyed this new series. I hope you guys enjoyed the increased audio quality. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bar just to let you know every time I post a video, so you guys are up to date on these Windows XP videos. This is gonna be the longest series in my videos, I'll tell you that. And so you don't want to miss any of them. Very interesting. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And follow my Twitter so you guys can stay in contact with me. So you guys can check out also when any new videos are actually made. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, Myers Slutterball, signing off.